Finance books to keep you ahead of the game. 1. The Total Money Makeover, a proven plan for financial fitness, by Dave Ramsey. In The Total Money Makeover, Dave Ramsey lays out a simple but effective plan for getting your finances on track. He covers everything from getting out of debt to investing for the future. Ramsey's straightforward approach and common-sense advice makes this book a valuable resource for anyone looking to improve their financial situation. In addition, the book includes helpful tips and real-life stories from people who have used Ramsey's methods to achieve financial success. Whether you're struggling with debt or simply looking to save more money, the Total Money Makeover is an essential guide to achieving your financial goals. 2. Rich Dad Poor Dad, What the Rich Teach Their Kids About Money That the Poor and Middle Class Do Not, by Robert Kiyosaki. The rich teach their children about money, while the poor and middle class do not. This simple distinction has profound implications for the financial future of a child. Those who learn about money early on will be able to make smarter decisions with their own finances as they grow older. They'll know how to save and invest wisely, and they'll be less likely to fall into debt. On the other hand, those who don't learn about money will struggle to make ends meet. They may end up working hard all their lives without ever achieving financial independence. Rich Dad Poor Dad is an essential read for anyone who wants to ensure a bright financial future for themselves or their children. 3. The Millionaire Fastlane, Crack the Code to Wealth and Live Rich for a Lifetime, by M.J. DeMarco. M.J. DeMarco provides readers with a blueprint for creating wealth. According to DeMarco, there are 3 main lanes one can take to become a millionaire: the slow lane, the middle lane, and the fast lane. The slow lane is the path that most people take, which involves working hard for 40+ years and sacrificing today for a better tomorrow. The middle lane is slightly faster, but still requires years of dedication and discipline. The fast lane is the quickest path to wealth, but it also comes with more risk. However, DeMarco argues that anyone can achieve wealth by following the blueprint he lays out in his book. By taking the fast lane, readers can learn how to create passive income streams, build eternal businesses, and invest in themselves. With this roadmap to riches, DeMarco promises that anyone can become a millionaire. 4. The Millionaire Mindset, How Ordinary People Can Create Extraordinary Income, by Thomas J. Stanley. Stanley interviewed over 1,000 millionaires and found that many of them shared similar traits and habits. For example, many of the millionaires he spoke to were frugal, avoiding luxury purchases and living below their means. They also tended to be lifelong learners, always seeking out new opportunities to grow and improve. In addition, they were often risk-takers, willing to take chances in order to achieve their goals. By studying the habits of self-made millionaires, Stanley provides readers with a roadmap for success. His book is an inspiring read for anyone looking to improve their financial situation. 5. Your Money or Your Life, 9 Steps to Transforming Your Relationship with Money and Achieving Financial Independence, by Vicki Robin. She begins by challenging the conventional wisdom that money is the root of all evil. Instead, she argues that it is our relationship to money that is the problem. We live in a culture that values consumption and status above all else, and as a result, we have developed harmful habits around money. We overspend, we accumulated debt, and we put our financial well-being at risk. By contrast, Robin advocates for a new approach that she calls financial independence. This involves taking control of your finances and making conscious choices about how to use your money. It also requires developing a deeper understanding of what money means to you and how it can best be used to improve your life. With these insights, you can begin to make lasting changes to your spending habits and achieve financial independence. 6. The Wealthy Barber Returns, 10 More Lessons for Financial Success, by David Chilton. In this book, Chilton revisits the characters from the original book and provides updates on their lives and financial journeys. He also provides new insights and lessons on how to achieve financial success. One of the key themes in the book is the importance of taking action and making smart choices in order to achieve your financial goals. Chilton emphasizes that it is never too late to start making changes in your financial habits, and he provides practical advice on how to do so. Overall, The Wealthy Barber Returns is an engaging and informative read that is sure to leave readers with a better understanding of personal finance. 7. The Automatic Millionaire, a powerful one-step plan to live and finish rich, by David Bark. The Automatic Millionaire by David Bark is a helpful book for those who want to learn how to save money and become financially secure. The book's title refers to the author's belief that becoming a millionaire is not as difficult as it may seem, and that it is possible to do so without making major lifestyle changes. The book contains a number of useful tips on how to save money automatically, such as setting up automatic transfers into savings accounts and investment accounts. In addition, the book includes a detailed plan on how to approach debt, including strategies for paying off credit cards and other debts. The Automatic Millionaire is an easy-to-read book that provides practical advice on how to achieve financial security. 8. Think and Grow Rich, the landmark bestseller now revised and updated for the 21st century by Napoleon Hill. In this landmark work, Napoleon Hill shares the secrets to success that he learned from interviewing some of the most successful people of his day. While the book is clearly a product of its time, its core message is just as relevant today as it was then, that anyone can achieve their dreams if they are willing to put in the hard work and dedication. In this updated edition, Hill's grandson Donalian Lohman brings the book into the 21st century, adding new commentary and insights that make Think and Grow Rich more accessible and relevant than ever before. Whether you're looking to achieve financial success, improve your relationships, or simply live a happier life, this timeless classic will show you the way. 9. The Cashflow Quadrant, Rich Dad's Guide to Financial Freedom, by Robert Kiyosaki. Robert Kiyosaki outlines the 4 different quadrants that earners fall into: E, S, B, and I. The E and S stand for employees and self-employed, respectively. These are the people who receive a paycheck from someone else in exchange for their time and labor. The B quadrant represents business owners, who have created something that generates income without their direct involvement. And finally, the I quadrant is for investors, who use their money to create passive income streams. According to Kiyosaki, the key to financial freedom is to move from the E and S quadrants into the B and I quadrants. While this may seem like a daunting task, Kiyosaki provides practical advice on how to make the shift. By following his simple yet effective tips, anyone can start down the path to financial independence. 10 Secrets of the Millionaire Mind by T. Harv Eker. T. Harv Eker shares some interesting insights into the way that wealthy people think and operate. One key takeaway is that millionaires tend to see money as a tool, rather than an end goal. They understand that money can be used to create more wealth, and they are always looking for ways to invest and grow their resources. Another key point is that millionaires are not afraid of taking risks. They understand that in order to make big gains, you sometimes have to take big risks. This doesn't mean that they are reckless, but they are willing to take calculated risks in pursuit of their goals. Finally, millionaires also have a strong focus on personal development. They know that in order to achieve success, they need to continuously work on themselves and improve their skill set. By following these principles, anyone can begin to develop a millionaire mindset. These 10 books when it comes to learning about personal finance. They offer tips on how to save money, achieve financial success, become a business owner, and understand financial data. All of these books have something unique to offer, so anyone looking for advice on personal finance would be wise to read them all. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.